everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. And in today's video, I have a great tip to share with you today, and I'm super excited to be sharing this with you. It's fabulous. So my tip for today, you guys, is this paper piercer and your multi-purpose glue. Now, if you know me, I love multi-purpose glue. Not only is it inexpensive, it's super strong glue. It allows you some wiggle room, so if you're putting something down, if you're not quite happy with where it is, you can always remove it, which I like that. So my tip for today is you are going to take your multi-purpose liquid glue. You are going to grab your paper piercer, and you are going to take some multi-purpose glue and you are going to put a dollop at the back of your paper piercer. Now it is white, but when it dries, it will be clear. So you won't see that there's adhesive on the back, if that's something that will, make you crazy. I know it will make me crazy if I constantly have this dollop of white at the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to set this off to the side, you're going to allow it to dry, and when it dries, it becomes clear, making it very tacky, almost like a post-it note holder. And what's great about this tip is when you're working on a project and you have like sequins you need to pick up, or something small like a bottle cap. Sometimes it's difficult, to try and add glue and, work around. But this tip is great because it not only it allows you to pick up small pieces, you see that, and it's stuck on the back there. So this is great when you have those little intricate things that you're working on and you want to add adhesive to it. So I can grab, I grabbed a whole lot because I just wanted to show you, but I can grab one of these sequins. I can hold it like that with my paper piercer, and I can add my glue. And now I can add this to my project, just like so. And yeah, again, super great tip, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you did enjoy this video, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. There is a notification bell. Click on that. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you're in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a detailed description over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com, where I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, and I hope you have a wonderful and safe weekend, you guys. My mom comes soon. Yay! I'm doing a happy dance behind the camera. You just can't see. So yeah, have a good weekend. Take care.